In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to embed video into a Stan Store page. We'll walk through the entire process step by step, so by the end, you'll know exactly how to take a video from a platform like YouTube and display it directly on your Stan Store as an embedded video, not just a plain link. To start, you'll first need the link to the video you want to embed. Head over to YouTube and open the video you want to feature on your store. Under the video, click the Share button. A small pop-up will appear with different sharing options. In that pop-up, you'll see the video's URL. Go ahead and copy that link. This URL is what Stan Store will use to pull in and display your video. Next, open a new tab and log into your Stan Store account. Once you're inside your dashboard, look over to the left-hand panel and find the section labeled My Store. Click on that. You'll now see your store header along with a list of your existing products, if you have any. To add your new video, click the Add Product button. A new screen will appear showing the different types of products you can create in Stan Store. You'll see several options here, but the one you want to choose is URL or media. Select that option so you can use your video link as the product source. You'll now be taken into the product editor. On this page, you'll see a preview area on the right-hand side, and in the center, you'll find all the product settings you can customize. This is where you'll control how your video appears on your store. Within these settings, you'll notice 3 style options for how your media can be displayed: button, callout, and embed. For this tutorial, choose the embed option. This tells Stan Store that you want the actual video player to show up on your page, rather than just a button or a simple call to action box. Once embed is selected, you'll see a text box where you can paste your video's link. Paste the YouTube URL you copied earlier into that box. As soon as you do, look over to the preview on the right. You should see your video appear there, showing you exactly how it will look to your visitors. When everything looks good and you're happy with the preview, scroll down to the bottom right corner of the page and click the Publish button. Wait a moment for the page to reload. After it finishes, you should see a confirmation message appear at the top of the screen, letting you know your product has been successfully published. At this point, your video is embedded and live on your Stan Store page.